जहां रास्ता नहीं निकल सकता वहां रास्ता ढूंढने की काबिलियत होनी चाहिए।
Namo Namah to everyone. Myself Rishabh Khantal welcomes you all on Basic with Khantal. Today's video is a glowful tribute to a man whose sudden demise has shocked the entire world and entire India. The void which he left behind is unimaginable to be filled with. In today's video, I am going to discuss the glorious 43 years of Shaheed General Bipin Rawat ji and some lesser known facts about his life. General Bipin Rawat ji was born in Podi district of Uttarakhand. After completing his schooling from Shimla and Dehradun, he cracked NDA exam, and after giving SSB interview, he joined NDA Khadagwasla, which is situated in Pune. After completing his training for Indian Military Academy Dehradun, he received Sword of Honor, which is presented to best cadet in IMA. He started his officer journey after IMA and was posted in 11th Gorkha Regiment, whose headquarters is located in Lucknow. General Bipin Rawat has great inclination toward academics, which is visible in all his lakes and editorials that he wrote in many newspapers. His higher studies is being done from Leavenworth Fort, that is situated in USA, and DSSC College, Wellington. It is this DSSC college where he was going to address the junior officer and faculty members of that college, in which this unfortunate incident happened on 8th December. IAF chopper Mi-17 V5 was crashed. Now you all must have listened in news and had read in newspaper that defense analysts are worried about the presence of black box and its processing. Now what is black box? Black box is an electronic device which is fit in a cockpit. So it has certain devices which record all the pilot's conversation. It shows the altitude, air pressure and all important 88 parameters which are required to monitor what may be the possible reasons for the air crash. So because of this, the black box has become a topic of discussion, that after its study the exact reason of plane crash will be visible. Now the name of black box is black box, but its color is orange in texture. But during Second World War, when this secret box was equipped, it was black in color. So from origin it got its name. Now let's talk about the operations and successful missions which Bipin Rawat completed, which made him the Chief of Defence Staff. The most important mission was Balakot airstrike in 2019, when he was Chief of Indian Army. In the retaliatory attack of Uri, the Bipin Rawat was planning commission member, which planned the Uri surgical strike to Pakistan. When the India-China standoff take place in Doklam, Bipin Rawat played a diplomatic and important channel by meeting and various strategies through which all the tension that was created in that place, it was resolved. There was also a Myanmar strike in which the inter-border operation of NSCNK militant was resolved by General Bipin Rawat. So all these missions has given him platform which rose him to General and then Chief of Defence Staff. The most important contribution from his side was the modernization of Indian Army, because he believed that all the weapons which India is importing from outside, if we start making that in our country, then it will save the defense budget and it will also make India a military superpower. In UN peacekeeping mission, when General Bipin Rawat was brigadier rank, then he was sent to African country Congo. In Operation MONUSCA, the insurgency was very high in Congo, and the approach that was used by Indian Army in Congo that time was velvet gloves, that is to talk and get a solution. But General Bipin Rawat, after studying the ground, he found that the strategy that is needed to control the insurgency here is iron fist, that is to give the retaliatory fire. Now the strategy making part of Bipin Rawat was very strong, because he did his higher education of MPhil in defense studies from Madras University and a research in defense media from Chaudhry Charan Singh University, Meerut. So all these theoretical and ground experience of General Bipin Rawat made him a great strategy maker, which made him the first Chief of Defence Staff. Now, these all are the contribution which made him such a great general of Indian Army. In armed forces, there is a famous saying that war is not won by weapons, but it is won by strategy. So, this strategy making part made him such a special one. Now, this was all about General Bipin Rawat's life that made him a officer and cut apart from all the individuals. So, in all the editorial writings or any interview which he has given in many public space, the most important thing which he mentioned about the reason of his success in all the 43 years of his life was discipline and consistency. He believed that if these two things is pursued by anyone, then he can achieve anything. His father, Lakshman Singh Rawat, retired from Lieutenant General post, and General Bipin Rawat continued that legacy and became the top official of armed forces. That's why his sudden demise has sent a strong wave across the world, and the funeral ceremony which took place in New Delhi, all the VIPs and all the Indian government representatives, opposition representatives, it was joined by them. The final rites was done by her two daughters, and all the rest of the officers which also demised, his wife, Mrs. Madhulika Rawat, and all the other armed officers which lost their life, they were all cremated in New Delhi. So, you see, life is getting very uncertain. So, we all think that we have time to do something, but that time never comes. So, what Bipin Rawat said in most of his interview, that the time is now to do anything. So, all the negative thoughts, depressions, or any things which are faced by today's generation or any generation, the only solution to that is scheduling and consistency. So, this was the message and vision which General Bipin Rawat carried and which he passed on to all his officers and student cadets. So, with this, as a creator, it's a small tribute to all the heroes and fallen ones which lost their lives. And I left you all with a small clippings and images of General Bipin Rawat, so we can remember him forever. Om Shanti.
अगर भारतीय सेना में आना है तो कठिनाइयों का सामना करने के लिए आपको काबिल होना पड़ेगा, आपको मानसिक और शारीरिक रूप से काबिल होना पड़ेगा।